Hello, welcome back to the Green Workbench. This is a quick review of the Shark ZU780 vacuum, Zulu Uniform 780 vacuum. So the reason why we purchased this vacuum is because of the claims that hair does not get caught in the brush roller. I've got 3 people living in the house with long, thick hair that just destroys vacuums, and it winds around so tight that I have to use a utility knife and needle nose pliers to clean it on a regular basis. So with the claims that hair does not get caught in the rollers on this vacuum, it was worth a shot. So first of all, it was very simple to put together. Everything just snaps into place. You really don't even need to look at the instructions. It's all very intuitive. It also has great suction. Of course, any new vacuum has good suction, so we'll see how it works over time. If we take care of the filters and clean them properly, it should last for a long time. But let's get down to the important thing, hair, because that's the selling point. So one of the great things about this vacuum is you do not have to turn it over to access the brush roller. There's no need to wrestle with this awkward vacuum upside down or to undo any screws, to pull apart, pull it off of the vacuum band. None of that is necessary. All you have to do, pop and it pops right off from the top. You have top access. So I just vacuumed the downstairs family room and one of the girls' bedrooms. So let's take a look at the results here. So not perfect. There is hair wrapped around, but because of this piece sticking up here, that holds the hair away from the roller so it doesn't wind tight. So that's great. So it's actually really easy to just grab. I could just get some scissors and clip, clip, clip and pull it out. Takes 2 seconds. So it's not 100%. Hair still got caught in the brush roller. However, when I emptied the bucket after vacuuming their rooms, the bucket was full of hair. So it did manage to suck up probably 85% of the hair. Only 15% actually got caught around the roll. With a normal vacuum, it's usually the opposite. It's usually 85% gets stuck around the roll and the rest gets sucked up. So is it perfect? No. Does it do the job better than any other vacuum we've ever had? Absolutely. So I think it was definitely worth the money. It's doing the job. I would give it probably a B+ on the hair thing. Every other function works great. The suction is great. The movement is great. It's light. It's easy to use. It has the lift away function, so it's easy to take up and down the stairs. So it's an overall great vacuum with the added benefit that it doesn't get hair stuck in it like normal vacuums do. So I hope this is helpful. If you're looking at vacuums, if you suffer from the same problem that I do of hair getting stuck in your vacuum roller, I hope this helps. I would recommend this one. Please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I will see you next time on the Green Work.